In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom form on a Wix website. To get started, open your Wix site and go to the page where you want to work. From there, click Edit Site so you can access the website builder and make changes directly on the page. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click Add. This is where Wix keeps the different tools and elements you can place on your site. After opening the Add menu, click Elements. Inside this section, search for Form so you can quickly find the form tools without browsing through everything manually. When the form options appear, choose Create New Form. This will open the custom form builder and let you build exactly what you need rather than using a fixed template. From here, you'll see that you're starting from scratch. That gives you full control over the structure and content of the form. In the builder, look for the area where you can add form fields. You can click and drag the fields you want directly into your form. This is the part where you decide what information you want visitors to enter, and dragging fields into place makes it easy to organize everything visually. As you select each field, you'll notice that the settings for that field appear on the right side of the screen. This is where you can adjust the field details and fine-tune how it behaves. Taking a moment to review these settings is helpful because it ensures the form looks clean and works the way you want for your visitors. At the top of the form builder, you'll also see more options, including Preview, Settings, and Submission. Preview lets you check how the form will look before you publish it, which is useful for spotting layout issues or making sure everything is easy to read. Settings gives you access to the overall form configuration, and Submission is where you can review the form's submission-related options. These sections help you polish the form and make sure it functions properly. If you want to change how the form is arranged visually, click Layout at the top left. This lets you adjust the structure of the form so it better fits your website design. A clean layout can make the form easier for visitors to complete, so it's worth checking before you finish. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. That's it! You've now created a custom form on your Wix website.